And now our natural juice is ready. This juice that we have made is very nutritious and healthy. I hope you make this delicious juice at home, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 so you know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Che Unoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes.